Alright, in this video, what I want to do is show you how to import some contacts into Kajabi and how to do that, how to combine information if you've got it in a spreadsheet or anything like that, because there's a special format that Kajabi requires for you to import your data. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do this. A lot of this stuff is blurred out for privacy reasons, but you will get this as I walk through this. All right, so I've got some information here on a spreadsheet that I downloaded. It's webinar registrations that I'm importing, right, for a client and going into Zoom. And so, sorry, from Zoom, I should say, into Kajabi. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to delete the data I really don't need right now. It's all this other stuff over here. And we're going to get rid of that. And what I'm left with is, I'm just going to open these up here, is I'm left with first name, last name, and email, right? So that is all that you can bring into Kajabi. Now, the problem is that if you copy and paste this, there's spaces in between all of this stuff, and you have to have it in a special format, like I said, which is just basically the name and then a comma and then the email. Now, how do you do that? And I'm going to show you how to do this. This is within Excel. I'm sure that this format or this formula will work with Google Docs. I haven't verified it, but I'm going to show you how to do it anyway. So I'm going to do a new column right here, okay? And I got to put a little formula in there, which is pretty easy, all right? So we're in this the blank cell. I'm going to put equals. Right, and I want to use this guy right here, and then I want to put an ampersand and then I'm going to put a quotation with a space and then a quotation again, and then I'm going to say and I want to combine that guy right here, and then I'm going to do the same thing, ampersand, sorry, oops, that's going to be an and quotation, and I want to put a comma right here and a quotation, and I want to go and I want to get that last guy, that email, okay? And then I'm going to press enter. And you can see here, well, you can't see the data, but believe me, what happened is it combined all these three columns. It put the first name with a space, and then it put after the last name, first name and last name, sorry, with a space, and then after the last name, it put a comma, and then the email. And that's exactly what I need to put into Kajabi. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this little handle thingy, and I'm going to pull it all the way down. Come on, come on, come on. Let me go down to here. Keep on. I'm just copying that formula all the way into all these cells, and boom, it is now ready to, well, unless it's not ready to import because there's one more thing that I want to do here. What I do is now I sort this information. Come on, where's this sort? Is not on this little thingy. I never can find it in the menu when I'm looking for it. It's usually on the toolbar, but this toolbar is small. There we go. So I want to sort it like this, and I want to expand the selection. So there we go. So now what I'm going to do is there are double entries here, so I just want to get rid of those. I'm going to just delete those. So what I'm going to do is pause this video for a second while I do this. You don't have to watch me do this, and then I will be ready to import, and I will show you how that happens. All right, we're back with the magic of editing. Here we go, right? So let me show you now how to import all this stuff into Kajabi. Well, actually, there's only one column. So I'm going to grab that data right like this, and I'm going to copy that to my clipboard thingy, right? And I'm going to go over here to Kajabi. You can see here that I'm already in the people section. That's where you want to go, and you want to add people. And here's where you do the magic. Right here, import multiple people, and I'm going to paste that data right in there. And again, you can't see this because I blurred this out for privacy reasons, but it is in the right format, which is right up here. You can see what Kajabi is looking for, and that is what we've done. And what I suggest is to tag them like what you want. Is this from somewhere or a special tag or something like that? In this case, I am doing a attended May 14th, 2020 webinar. All right, and I'm going to create that. And then I'm also going to say subscribe to marketing emails, because we do have the certification because they registered for Zoom, right? So I am certifying that the information was properly gathered. And so they're going to be on the marketing email list. And then I'm going to press save. And that is it. The import is done. There you go. Hopefully this helped you out. I'll talk to you in another video.